Have you ever encountered this situation? You're clearly using your low beams, but oncoming drivers keep thinking you have your high beams on. The cabin lighting isn't very bright, yet other drivers find it blinding. The main reason is that aftermarket LED headlight bulbs that aren't original equipment. Manufacturers vary in quality, and some LED bulbs aren't properly matched to the factory headlight housing. If the car doesn't have projector lenses, this leads to an irregular beam pattern. Let's talk about the light pattern of a reflector bulb. The standard light pattern is a light-dark cutoff line with a lower light on the left and a higher light on the right. The standard light pattern of projector lens is different from the reflective bulb, but it is also a light-dark cutoff line with a lower beam on the left and a higher beam on the right. The main function of this tangent line is to control the illumination range of the light and prevent the light from shining on places where it should not be illuminated. Our standard light pattern, when it shines on the wall, it has this shape. When this light pattern is spread flat on the road, it looks like this. And the left and right sides of the light pattern correspond to the two sides of the road, respectively. The light patterns above and below correspond to the farthest point, and the area closest point to the front of the car. When the low beam has a light-dark tangent line, the left side does not shine as high or far as the right side. The benefit of the light-dark tangent line is to prevent the left side from shining too high or too far, and shining on the opposite driver. The non-standard light pattern, its light cutoff line, is not low on the left and high on the right like ours. The light is scattered here and there. It should shine in front of the car. We can see that it does not shine. On the contrary, the light shines into the air. It also shines on the eyes of the driver on the left. So, sometimes we think some drivers are rude and always use high beams. Actually, they may not be using high beams. They are using a bulb that does not have a standard light pattern. Although they are using low beams, part of their low beams are scattered to the high beam position and shine on the eyes of the driver on the opposite side. Actually, when the original car came out, our headlight assembly was matched with the original halogen lamp. So, although the original reflector bulb assembly does not have a lens, there will be no glaring light when a halogen lamp is installed. The LED headlight installed later has a different light-emitting principle from the original halogen lamp. The original halogen lamp emits light 360 degrees, while the LED headlight emits light on both sides. If the original car is not matched, the light pattern will be non-standard. There are some LED headlights on the market that are specially made for reflective bulb models. For example, the one I have in my hand, NAOEVO S3 LED headlight, uses 4 high-efficiency lamp beads on a single side. Compared with dozens of other low-efficiency LED headlights, it restores the luminous point of the original car halogen lamp at a 1-to-1 ratio, while ensuring brightness. The lamp body adopts an open design. Compared with a seal-type LED headlight, its light can be fully released. Unlike ordinary LED headlights, a considerable part of its light is blocked by the aluminum body. Moreover, the copper substrate is only 1 millimeter thick. The lamp beads on both sides are close together. The light is emitted at nearly 360 degrees. The light type standard is basically the same as the light type of the original car halogen lamp. The front of the headlight is very bright, without glaring opposite driver or other places that do not need to be illuminated. If your original car has this kind of reflective bulb, instead of this model with lens, it is best to choose this kind of LED headlight specially matched for the car.